Alright, so in this tutorial what we're going to look at is how to create a box and whisker plot in Microsoft Excel, and also how to use an online website to create box and whisker plots. So we'll just give you two options for it. So let's just go to Microsoft Excel, and you need to first of all think about what you want your box and whisker plot to look like. So in this particular example, I want to compare the male handspans to the female handspans. What I want to do is I just want to highlight the male handspans and female handspans and include that heading there, because that will help us identify and interpret the box plots later. From there, we go up to Insert. You want to click on the column graphs icon there, down to more column graphs, and we want to go down on the left hand side here down to box and whisker plots, and then we hit OK. From there we'll add a chart title, which is male handspans for males and females. From there we don't need our horizontal axis, so down the bottom here we can click on that one and delete it. We want to go up and add a axis title on our vertical, and because we need to tell us, or we need to explain what those numbers are on the left. So that's going to be length, and don't forget to put your units in, so that's centimeters. We also need to add a legend so we know which one of the two box plots, whether that's the male or that's the male. So if we go, let's go on the bottom. You can choose to put it anywhere. In this example I've put it on the bottom. Okay, these are quite squashed up, which make it fairly difficult to read. So if you look and see your minimum value down here, it's around about 16. So if I right click on my numbers over to the left and go Format Axis, and then what I can do, I'll just get rid of that. So right click, Format Axis, and then I want to change my minimum to, let's go 16, let's go 15, just to see what that looks like, and my maximum to 26. And that will then automatically change it so that we can see. I believe that cross in the middle there is your average. So it shows you your minimum value, your Q1, that line across represents your median, your Q3, and then that line at the top represents the maximum. Okay, and that's the handspans for males and females. Alright, if I were to use the online website, what I could do is go to the assignment title page, and in the suggested resources they have this website which will help you to create your box plot. So if we press Control and click on that, it will open up a website which looks like this, a box plot grapher. We want to add two box plots because we want to do comparative. So if we just click 2, and then we just start putting in our values. So box plot title 1 is handspans for males and females, and then we just take our values from the right here. So box plot 1 will be box plot 1, that's the male handspans. And then we, in our minimum value over on the left here, we want to take our minimum male value over on the right. So we just go 22, Q1 is also 22, 22.5, 24.75, 25. Box plot 2 is female handspan. Minimum value is 16, 17, and 22. So I've just taken these values over on the left here from the female section over on the right. Now this is a box plot limit, so our minimum value is a 16, so let's make our minimum value a 15. Our maximum value, if we look over at our 5 number summaries, is 25, so our maximum value there will be 26, and we can make the distance between tick marks equal to 1. Our axis title, we can say, is handspans for males and female. And then we just go draw here, and it will insert the box plot. From there we can copy the image, or just click on copy to clipboard, and then when we want to paste it into your assignment, you can just go and paste a picture there. Okay, and then it will have your box and whisker plot for you. If you're in Microsoft Excel and you're wanting to copy and paste the box plot across, you just click on it, press Control C, go into your Excel document or your Microsoft Word document, and then Control V, and it will put it there, and you can change the size. Okay, that's how you can create box and whisker plots in Microsoft Excel and using a third-party website.